Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. We are coming very close to the end of December. So in the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. And now from January 1, the lot size changes from 75 to 65 in Nifty. We are getting a lot of inquiries how to manage this. So number one, if you have a multiple of 975 quantities, then no need to worry about anything, because if you are having 975 quantity, so that will be 13 lots now, and then after January 1, it will become 15 lots. Still will be the same. But if you don't have in multiples of 975, so either you have to make it 975, or if you already have only, let us say, one lot, how to make it 975? So you need to pump in a lot of more money. If you don't have money, what to do? So then what you can do, on the last trading session, you can square up the position. The next trading session, the first trading session in January, so you can reinitiate that. So if you don't do that, what will happen? If you assume that you have a 75 quantity, you don't do anything, from January 1, our first trading session onwards, it will become one lot, 65 quantity, plus 10 shares odd lot. The 10 shares of odd lot, you cannot do anything. You have to hold it until expiry. It will have to expire at the intrinsic value. And all this is only for the positions you are having in Jan series and after that. So anyway, I will come out with a detailed video later. So now come back to our market. The markets fell for fourth straight day. For a fourth straight day, it is lower high, lower low, which means that during the last 4 trading sessions, none of the days Nifty broke previous day's high, and every trading session Nifty broke previous day's low. And today the markets fell 100 point. Then there was a dramatic recovery of more than 150 point. Again selling came, the markets fell more than 100 point. So the markets were too volatile. But one good thing is that, so the Nifty closed above 25,800, and it is close to close basis, the fall was not big. HDFC Bank, dragged the market down. So once again, whereas the IT stocks like TCS and Infosys supported the markets. There are few sectors. Number one, defense sector. So the defense sector all over the world are getting into some trouble because the peace negotiation between Russia and Ukraine going on very seriously. So once there is a peace, then there is a less demand for defense equipments. So therefore, the defense stocks may not do well. So for fourth straight day, the defense stocks have fallen. And for fourth straight day, auto stocks have been falling. Number one, on August 15, the Prime Minister announced the GST reduction announcement. It was not later it was Finance Ministry which announced it on September first week, then implemented from September 22. But on August 15, the Prime Minister has given the indication. Since then, auto stocks have done very well. As a double whammy, the crude oil started falling worldwide. Now the crude has come below $60. So, although in India the prices do not change as per the crude prices in international markets, and if the government wants at some point of time, they will have a room to cut the petrol prices. So with that expectation, auto stocks have gone up. But now the way the Indian currency depreciates, so even if the crude prices go down in the world markets, the prices here, because of the rupee devaluation, so it may not come down. And of course, anyway, it's not going to come down. But the thing is, at least there was a room for the central government to cut the rates. Now there is no room. So because of that, for the last 4 trading sessions, continuously, auto stocks are also falling. So again, we are going back to the same old story, at 26,000 plus minus 300 points. But markets are too volatile within this range. So this is how the market is trading. Now, because option writers are just, waiting for time to decay faster. And so now today is the first trading session over. So there are 4 more trading sessions for this weekly series. And the next week series is also only 4 days because of public holiday on December 25. So today we have 8 more trading sessions. And the US markets will be going for quadruple witching day tomorrow. So because of that, today and tomorrow, US markets may be more volatile. So that may have some impact in global markets also. So overall, I'm not expecting any big move until the budget. I think that I am already mentioned many times. So, or if there is some positive news, Indo-US trade deal. I think that is also not looking to go well smoothly. So overall, it is just a consolidation, but FIIs, they were supposed to create a record yesterday by selling for 15th straight day, but yesterday they have chosen to buy, and in fact they have bought for more than 1,000 crore. So that may be one of the reasons why there was a huge intraday recovery, because at the lower level, the short sellers might have booked the profits. But again, my market went up. So again, probably short sellers will become very active. Although FIIs were net buyers, there is no reason for market to go up by 150 points. And that too when ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank are doing like this. So anyway, all is well, that ends well. So one good thing is that, Nifty did not fall much. In fact, the broader markets have done better. Some of the major indices like small cap, mid cap, they ended in slightly green. And India VIX fell further, now closed decisively below 10. So that is happening, in the last 2-3 weeks of December is a little bit surprising. So we will see where the market goes. As long as markets are consolidating, option writers, positional option writers are very, very happy. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.